Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from happiness.com, and today we're doing another unboxing for our COVID essentials since it looks like that it's not going to go away before the end of the year. So we've decided to up our the things that we use to add protection to us. Okay, if you've watched our videos, we've recently come up with a video about this UVC mini lamps. It's rechargeable via USB. I use this for the car and for small items that we bring in and bring out of the house. We put it in boxes and all this stuff. Okay, so since my wife has to work, I decided to get one of these wearable air purifiers that's online and seems to be the craze already. Okay, Cherry Mobile has it already. Globe, as far as I know, already also has it in their lifestyle shops, and there's a lot of it being sold online. Okay, so I got this from Shopee during the last 99 sale. It's priced at 669 pesos each. I was able to get it for 629 pesos each. Okay, so as you can see, it's well packed. Okay, there's the actual device itself. Okay, I don't know what's this for, so we'll check it out later. It comes with its own lanyard so you can wear it. Okay, it comes with a short micro USB for charging, and I assume this is a clip. Okay, so it says main unit with battery inside, lanyard, clip holder optional, user guide, power cable. Doesn't say anything about what this is. Okay. So according to the description of the seller, it's supposed to be able to release about 5 million ion particles, negative ions in the air. Okay. So as you can see, it's cute. It's pink. It's not for me. It's for my wife. There's the chargeable port. Okay. And I assume this battery is for the power. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, it's blinking green. Okay, this small part here is, you can press it. I don't know, it feels like rubber. Okay, so that's the only thing that you can see if it's working. It's the signal. Okay, so we're gonna read the manual and then get back to you in record. Okay, so some items, when it's blinking green, that means it's on. It's gonna blink red when it's about to die, when it's low battery, and when it becomes orange, that means you're charging it while using it. So we're gonna try it right now. And as you can see, it's already orange. Okay, according to the manual, the charging time is about 1 hour, and operating time is supposed to be about 10 minutes. Okay, so the stand is, it's supposed to be a stand. This part goes here, so I assume so you can leave it on your table without having to wear it. Hope I pressed it off or turned it off. Okay, so as you can see, it's standing. Okay, we'll try to do the smoke test in a little while. It's supposed to be able to clear the smoke if you're using it. Okay, so I'll try to find some paper to burn because I don't smoke anymore. So So as you can see, we're done. We did the smoke test, and this is what happened to the device. Okay, as you can see, it seems like all the soot or the dirt from the smoke that came from the paper went to the device. It's so dirty. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's because it fell on the device or if the device sucks out all the dirt. But according to the description, the negative ions attaches to the stuff that's in the air around you and deactivates it, and it falls around you, something like that. So that's the result of the smoke test. So it looks like it works because the smoke almost all the smoke went away. But this is what happened to the device. Now I have to clean it again, and it stained the unit. My wife is gonna kill me. So that's our quick unboxing for the wearable air purifier. You can buy one for yourself if you think you're gonna be able to use it. Looks like it's okay, although my purifier still smells like smoke. Hopefully it goes away in the long run because it's my wife that's gonna use it. So we're gonna have her carry this when she gets to the work. I don't think it's gonna be workable if the electric fan is pointing to you or you're moving around too much, because if it's supposed to be making a bubble of clean air around you because of the negative ions, if you're moving, you're gonna leave it, right? Because you're walking. And it took a while to clear about the small bottle of smoke that I put it into. It was about 4 or 5 minutes long before it was able to almost clear it off. But of course, smoke is different from all other stuff. So feel free to check it out. Whatever you think, guys. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.